Hello, this is Hayes Freeman with Atlanta Dings. I'm here in Buckhead. I actually already fixed this car because when I started the job this morning there was a blower going and I couldn't speak. But here's the before pictures. Alright, and I'm done here. Alright, if you're in the Atlanta or Buckhead area, you've got dents from minor door dings to large damage like I fixed on this car. Give me a call. Check us out at atlantadings.com. We're a mobile service, come out to you and fix from small dents to large dents, as you can see. Thanks for watching.